Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. We got to talk about something serious here because it could possibly cause a crypto dump by itself. If you guys don't know, there was a 2016 big hack in 2016 that ported out tens of thousands of bitcoins at a time. Well, that wallet has actually been on Bitfinex and it's actually active for the first time. Whale Alert gave me the alert, and someone in my chat actually alerted me to this. So, sharing this with you. Whale Alert, if you guys don't know, is a tracker of big movements on the BTC blockchain. So you can see here that how much BUSD was burned at Binance. But the concerning thing is, starting very recently, 3 BTC, which is not really that much, of stolen funds transferred from Bitfinex hack 2016 to unknown wallet. Another 3 Bitcoins of stolen funds transferred from Bitfinex hack 2016 to unknown wallet. All these funds were hacked and stolen from Bitfinex in 2016 on the move to an unknown wallet. There's like 2 BTC, 3 BTC, 3 BTC, but there's much bigger amounts. Basically, 20 BTC here. So 10,000 BTC of stolen funds transferred from Bitfinex hack 2016 to unknown wallet. Another 10,000 BTC. So this all happened in the last 2 or 3 hours. Another 10,000, another 10,000 there, another 2,000. So all probably like close to 50, 60,000 BTC, or probably more, maybe even 100,000 BTC within the last 2 or 3 hours were actually transferred from the Bitfinex hack 2016 to unknown wallet. Now, where were they before? I'm not really sure. I doubt they were actually in Bitfinex because they actually ported them out of Bitfinex, obviously, very soon afterwards. And they're probably going to try to dump it on the market. Now, I'm not exactly sure how they're going to dump it on the market because most of the centralized exchanges probably have those addresses blacklisted and they will not let them sell. They could wash it and they could actually go to a DEX to trade them for another coin in order to sell them somewhere else. I'm not really sure. So this definitely could cause that much Bitcoin trying to be dumped or attempting to be dumped or successfully being dumped could definitely cause a market crash. Is it actually going to happen right now? I'm not really sure because they might have to move it around for a great while and try to sell a little bit of it at once to avoid, the censors from sensing that they're trying to sell stolen Bitcoin. But they could apply tentative pressure over a long period of time on the Bitcoin market because this is a big hack. This is like 100,000 coins, and they're actually moving to an unknown wallet. Now, that means they're not moving to a central exchange wallet to try to be sold, but they could actually using mixers, dexes, whatever. They could actually try to filter that money either through Bitcoin or through other altcoins onto centralized exchanges where they won't be caught and where they can actually sell them without the exchanges interfering. Now, this, like I said, will take time. They can't sell it all at once because that would raise suspicions. But even if they sell a couple hundred or a couple thousand per day, that could put adequate pressure on the price of Bitcoin downward. So I just wanted everyone to actually be sure of that. Now, these things actually happen on whale alerts all the time, but the thing is, realistically, the thing is, this is kind of a big one. This is like at least 60,000, probably maybe like 100,000 BTC being moved at once in a very short time, within 2 or 3 hours, transfer from what we know is from the Bitfinex hack in 2016 to an unknown wallet. So this definitely has a greater chance of impacting the market. Usually, when Whale Alert actually has these big things, they kind of know what it is, or it's just a transfer. It's not from a hack. Obviously, if it's from a hack, it has a higher chance of being sold either immediately or gradually on the open market. And this one, I'm going to guess it's actually gradually. So just be aware of that. And if the price actually goes up, don't be surprised if there's sudden wicks or spikes down if they try to dump. Like I said, it'll probably be a while before they can figure out how to dump without kind of triggering, red flags on exchanges. But I just want to make everyone to be sure that that is actually out there, and a lot of Bitcoin is on the move and may attempt to be sold within maybe the next few weeks, next few months, or even next few days. So that's the news for right now. Like and subscribe, hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.